Have you ever wondered, how do small creators grow fast without spending money on expensive gear or software? By the way, this video is sponsored by AI Creator Max. Comment yes if you have ever searched for free tools to make your channel better. Here is the shocking truth. Some of the biggest YouTubers started with nothing but free tools. Imagine this, you could record, edit, design, and even plan your videos without paying a cent. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stay with me, because I am about to share the best free tools every creator should know in 2025. Step 1. Free video editing tools. Apps like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve let you edit like a pro without paying. You can cut, add effects, and even make cinematic videos for free. Step 2. Free thumbnail tools. Canva gives you bold designs that look just like top trending thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing people see, so never skip this step. Step 3. Free music and sound. YouTube's own audio library has thousands of tracks you can use with no copyright issues. Did you know 90% of viewers say sound and music make videos more engaging? Step 4. Free script and idea tools. AI tools can help you write faster, brainstorm titles, and save hours of stress. Before I give you the final secret, let me ask, what is your favorite free tool right now? Type it in the comments, because your answer might help another creator too. Quick sponsor break. This video is brought to you by AI Creator Max. It helps you write titles, blogs, ads, and emails 10 times faster with over 100 ready-made templates. Just answer a few questions, click generate, and you're done. Try it free with the link below. Now here is the dramatic twist. The real power is not in using one free tool, but in combining them all. Imagine having free editing, free thumbnails, free music, and free scripts working together. Suddenly, your channel looks pro even if you are just starting today. And here's a funny truth. Viewers do not care if you filmed on your phone if the content is good, so stop waiting for perfect gear. Your best videos are waiting to be made right now with the free tools you already have. And remember, AI Creator Max makes it even easier to turn ideas into content. Link is in the description if you want to try it free. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a creator friend who needs new tools in 2025.